Welcome to another iNews tutorial. This tutorial is based on version 12.4 of our iNews. Today we will have a look at how to perform manual stops and starts in the residential subsystem. We will go to the residential accounts, which is in the first column under daily. We'll click on customers. This brings us to the customer accounts. The customer which we want to perform these changes to is the account that we are currently looking at. If the stops and starts are coming in from DTI, they will automatically be given the stop dates and the appropriate changes will be made to the subscription. This is for manually doing stops and starts. So this is for any publication codes which come from publishers that are not using DTI, or in the event that you've got some other system related issue and you cannot submit your DTI sub-activity reports. In this under this subscriber, you can either just stop the publications by giving the system a stop date for the publications. So this will be when these are the dates it will stop at. The who requested the stop, so you can say the customer and the reason. If you wish to record the reason they have done the stop, if no reason is provided, you can select no reason. So in this situation, the customer requested the stop through a phone call directly to our office, and you would fill it in like this. When the stop date comes past, these will automatically be retired across to the Supply To tab, which is the archive. I'll just quickly remove this information to demonstrate another way to do stops and starts. In the event that you want to do stop start for multiple publications, in this subscriber here we've got two publications, an Australian and a West Australian. You can click the stop start button in the middle between current and future, and another box will pop up. You can provide the stop date, which in our case will be 31, and then it will ask if there's a restart date. We can specify restart date for, say, Monday the 4th. You can again select who requested the stop and the reason for the stop, and then you've got the tick boxes next to each publication, so you can select which publications will take part in the stop start request and which would be excluded. So in this situation, we want all the publications to be taken into account of the stop start date. If I click submit, you'll notice that it puts stop dates next to the two publications. It will work out when is the next suitable stop date for that publication. It will put in the stop request and the cancellation reason. It will then create new transactions in the future column for the restart date. It is important to note that if you're doing a manual stop on a publication that is usually governed by DTI, you will have to click on the More button and remove the subscription ID if there's any. This is because many publishers will recycle the numbers. So for any stop transactions, you need to remove the subscription ID. And for any start transactions performed manually, you need to add a subscription ID. This is vitally important for subscriptions that are managed through publishers that are using DTI. That concludes this video.